This is Stasher's reusable silicone storage bag. Front is just clear and the back is a little bit matte. And for the material, it's actually pretty good. It's very smooth. And here, you need to press really hard to make a good seal. And you can put a lot of snacks or just fruit inside. And also you can put your like daily use makeups, whatever stuff in this bag. And usually people can put this thing inside a microwave for lunch. You just heat it up, and don't worry because it's not going to be like exploded in the microwave. See this? So when you press, you don't need to be like super hard. It just the seal will be open right here. And this bag, I think it is very good looking, a lot of uses, and you can put this one in your bag or in your lunch bag, just a little bit addition for little veggies or fruits. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.